Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're here. We got a. Which one is this one?
This is the gyro here, which is just sweet red bean paste. Very traditional Japanese street food. Fare everywhere. Absolutely delicious. Just look how cute it is. A little fishy for a fish speck. It's absolutely awesome. Oh.
And then that, show that inside right there. Here, let me switch this. That's like a red bean paste, right?
Red bean paste. Very simple, very traditional. Super delicious. Like, it's a waffle, just waffle and red bean paste, really. And it's nice and moist and
perfect.
not a little bit crunchy without being like hard crunch, like some of the waffles you occasionally run into.
And this is a fresh strawberries and Nutella one. So I'm gonna try this one and see how this, because this just looks like it's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
The powder. Oh, that's dope. Look at that. Okay, let's take a bite.
Another thing that they
Oh my god.
Because they saw us taking pictures and stuff, they made us two really tiny little fishies, which
we
ate off camera, but
yeah,
just little smaller versions of these.
Look at this.
Filled with this awesome custard.
That custard is amazing.
Oh,
that custard
nice and warm and tasty.
This one has fresh strawberries, as y'all can see, and Nutella with powder on top. Definitely worth it. Here's the mark there. Check it out. BeanFish, right across from Wajimai here in Seattle. Definitely worth coming to. Oh my gosh, the little custard fish was adorable. I wish we would have recorded that. That would have been awesome, though. We'll definitely come back here again, though. But yeah, definitely recommend this, everybody. Strawberries, fresh. This one, it's just, yeah, I can't. If you love Nutella and strawberry, this is the way to go. This is, oh my god, this is great. Thank y'all for watching this. Thank you for watching me, my friend Robert. My name is Enrique, aka Angel, and this is the what?
This is the fish speck. Hello.
Hello, Fishback. Yes. And what's the name of this beautiful channel?
The Wandering Foodies.
That's right. Thank y'all for joining the Wandering Foodie. Have a great one, and we'll see you next time. Bye.